Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add location on Instagram post, and now let's dive right in. Now to add location on Instagram post, first open up your Instagram app, and from over here let's make a post guys. To do that, let's tap on the plus button at the bottom middle of the screen, and from over here let's go to the post section. To do that, let's swipe the button at the bottom to the left from reels to post, and from over here I'll be just taking a demo photo of my keyboard guys, and let's take it. You will be able to add the location on the next step guys. So for over here you will be able to customize your post as you like. So I'll be doing nothing for the demo. This is for the adding location only. So let's tap on the next, and over here guys you can see the first option here. It says the add location button available for us. Tap on the add location, and over here you can search for any city you like and tap on it, and that city will be added on your post. You can see guys we are on over here, and it says on the Google map. By doing that you will be able to add location on your Instagram post. You can cross it. If you don't like it, you can choose another location over here, and you can see the location will be shown on your Instagram map. And the moment you tap on share guys, your post will be shared with your location on Instagram. And guys, this is how to add location to your Instagram post. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.